on the record button, clicked on the record button, sharing the screen with you to continue recording question number 2 for the lab 6, the last lab. So I'm going to open my lab notes. Lab notes is already here. We already completed the first question. Relationship between y and x1 using the scatter plot. So negative, also negative. Whether it's strong or moderate, it depends on the slope actually. To be honest with you, both are moderate, not really strong. And this also probably strong. It again depends on what is strong, what is weak. So unless it's really a steep slope, I won't say strong. It's okay, whatever the way it is interpreted here. So the answers are here, I gave it to you. Question number 2, is giving you some notes here. For question number 2, we need to calculate the correlation coefficient between two variables. So normally correlation coefficient is between +1 to -1. Both +1 and -1 are very strong, very, very strong relationships. So in fact, anywhere even 40% or 40%, even 70% to up is very strong relationship. So 40%, this is the definitions. This is also a very strong relationship, even in other direction. In both cases, so this is the definition of what is strong, what is not strong. So I will actually take the snipping tool and put it in my worksheet here. So let me go to the week the lab notes here. I'm going to go there. 1 second. I'll be there with you. Lab 6. This is the lab 6. So here I was working on Tala answers. This is the one. I'll open it for you to continue question number 2. So question number 2, I'm adding another worksheet here, Q2, rename Q2, enter. So I'm not really going to keep that. So in Excel, there is an analysis tool pack. So if I take the analysis tool pack, and then I can get the correlation of this very easily. So click on the data, click on the data analysis tool pack, and then go to correlation. This is the correlation. So click OK. I need to select all the input. So starting from the beginning here till the end, right? Control Shift down, take all the values. Okay. These are columns, organized by columns. Click OK. Input range, non-numeric value. Okay, all right. So, which means that I have labels in the first row, which you need to specify. If you don't specify that, you keep the labels there and then at least you're telling us, it's very good. Thank you. Oh, okay. So now I put the okay there. In fact, this is the question 2. I don't need to create the question 2 worksheet here. Question 3, this is question 3. If I need, this is question 2. Rename Q2. So now I will just put all these values here. Page. I don't need to select all of them. So distance from the North Station, and then number of convenience stores and house price per area. So now you can see relationship house age with respect to the dependent variable. The dependent variable is the, this is the dependent variable. That's the dependent variable. You can see the age, independent variable, age, independent variable. All the three are independent variable, x1, x2, x3. This is y. So age versus the house price is a negative relationship. So if you take this the definition here, so snipping tool, that's what the definition is given to us. You can create your own definition if you like. So Control V. So now I can say the age versus the minus 0.21 falls in here. So it's a moderate relationship, moderate negative relationship. So moderate. So this is x1. This is x2. This is where is it? This is x3. And I can say this is y. So now this is relationship is between x1 and y. The relationship is moderate, right? Moderate negative relationship. So now x2 to y relationship. So I would say that is minus 0.67. So strong negative relationship. Strong negative relationship. So I can put all of them in the center so that you will see better way of interpreting results. Okay, that is a strong negative relationship. And x3 to y is 0.57 is plus side, it is strong positive relationship. I hope, that's enough, I think. Let's look at the lab notes, what he's asking us to do. We did the correlation and using the analysis tool pack. So independent variable, which one has a positive relationship? So number of convenience stores, that's right. Price with MRT, correlation is negative, and the distance MRT. And negative means when the independent variable is increasing, the dependent variable decreasing. I think that the question number 2 is done. Question number 2 is done in Excel, right? This is Excel, is done in Excel. So that's about the relationships. If you want to show it here, so all the relationships are, these are the values of the relationship. So 1 is 0.21 minus 0.67. So with respect to the dependent variable, right? So that's about it. Question number 2 is done.